going? Today, I'm going to talk about Gumroad versus Stanroad and which one is better for you. Now, both of them are good, but a very quick short review would be Gumroad is best for all types of products, including physical products, and Stanstore is more for creators who are selling digital products. Let's look at the advantages and the disadvantages. The advantages for Gumroad would be there is no upfront fees or subscriptions. You can sell anything. You can embed widgets on third-party sites, and you can also have a simple interface. Now, the disadvantages of using Gumroad is that there's a 10% commission. That's a hefty fee. Like 10% commission is a huge thing. There's limited customization options, and it is a relatively small marketplace. Advantages of using Standstore is that it's mobile friendly, there's no commission, and easy integration with popular tools. The disadvantages, again, limited store customizations, some marketing features gated behind the Pro plan, and only Pro users can hide the Standstore's marketing banners. So, in other words, if you're looking to sell physical products only, in that case, Gumroad. But if you're a creator and you need that online store for only selling digital products, in that case, Stanstore is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.